The Large Mirrorless Core Unit is a direct response to what our community has asked for. Action X users wanted to carry more camera gear while keeping the low profile of a mirrorless depth camera bag. The new Large Mirrorless allows just that, and is also a great fit for the Explore 30 version 2. Our mirrorless series is designed to hold mirrorless camera bodies like the Sony a7 series, but can also hold a DSLR as tall as a Canon 5D. The internal depth is 12 centimeters or 4.7 inches, and it's 36 centimeters or 14 inches tall. This allows you to carry a good assortment of pro lenses and also makes a great option when you want to add a drone. Shimoda core units are constructed with compression molded EVA, a brushed treacle lining, and a jersey exterior. It's a process unique to Shimoda. Not only does it look great, but it functions in a much friendlier way than traditional inserts are constructed. Because the walls and dividers are assembled as one piece, this, along with the curved attachment tabs of the dividers, eliminates the frustration of Velcro pulling on the lining while accessing the core unit. It's these small details that make all the difference in the field. The large size is also a great fit for our carry-on roller and comes with its own skin to protect your gear from dust when it's not in your backpack. Additionally, the skin also works great as a packing cell for your clothing. We welcome community feedback because it helps us develop products that you specifically want. Our new Large Mirrorless Core Unit is a perfect example of our community-driven designs.